Hello, hello my friends. This video I have prepared for letting you know that what is the power of leadership and training in internet marketing, particularly when I am here in Empower Network. See, there are three things for deciding any ventures. Any type of venture is there. If you are going to opt, then please see these three things. Very first thing is what is the company, what is the performance of the company. Second thing that is very important is the compensation plan. The compensation plan decides almost you can say 50% of the things which will be main factors for making any decision. And third thing that is still there, which even if suppose everything is okay, company is okay, and suppose company is okay, compensation plan is okay, but if training is not okay, if the person is not properly trained, then also there will not be anything, he cannot go much ahead in his life. So in this video I am going to discuss about leadership. See, it is very, very clear that whenever anybody is joining in Empower Network under our team, and our name of the team is Team Rockstar. So Team Rockstars, whenever you are entering in this one, then immediately you will be handhold, you will be given path, what is there for your 90 days forward path based on your of course on your budget and all that. And then step by step you will be taken care where you should go, what is the and of course your feedback and all that, it matters everything. And the thing is that we have got separate our Facebook group, and you will enter in that one, and I will tell you something regarding this one. So Team Rockstar, I can compare like this: when the sun sets, then stars appear. So it's like that. So that is our Team Rockstar. It is truly in name of that. And in fact today inside the Empower Network, Team Rockstars, we are the fastest growing team inside the Empower Network. There was a time when we out of top 10 in leaderboards, we were 3 capturing in the leaderboard of most lead generation section. And our leader Ankur Agarwal, he is almost every time he is capturing at least one position out of 10 in the most lead generation section. At the same time, most number of sign-ups also. So I was also there in most lead generation section. I came in fact third. I have already conveyed many times. So this is the power of leadership, and that's why people are growing here like anything. Because particularly in internet marketing, because it's people understand like this is a technical this highly technical things. In fact, it is not there like that, but still in absence of knowledge, people can say that okay, this is a very technical thing, I am not able to do all these things like that, but it is not. But because things are like this in as far as when you are going to do online internet marketing work, in that case you will face a lot of things. Like suppose Empower Network would have been not there, then you have to prepare your own lead capture page, your own free video if at all is there, then all the strategies of email marketing, all those things were separate before Empower Network was not in the scene. Now Empower Network has brought everything in one platform. in of course they are appearing in 15K formula, which is of $1,000 product. You can opt for this one. Then you will know each and every technique, and for that of course training part is already there. So training and leadership is very, very important part, and all those things are combined there, you can say, in Empower Network. So just by virtue of joining also Empower Network, you will avail a lot of things. But still leadership is very important, and because it's an inner journey, people immediately do not have high faith that they will do everything and go all in. It may not be the case. So having faith and having enjoying the life, earning the money, everything is there, and just you will enjoy like anything. So leadership is one of the best of the industry with us. So this was about this second point for opting any venture in your life. Now regarding compensation plan, I have already given my this video, but still I will come up with one more video in which it will be much more clear than earlier one. So one more thing, many of my friends are asking why I am wearing this green all the time. What is the reason? So I can only say greenery is the best scenery. So thank you very much. This is Shailendra Kant signing off from I can say this is 11th day videos, and today on 11th day I have prepared a lot of videos. So we will see you soon in another video. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Take care.